First ball. Right on the body there. This time, reverse. And it goes behind point for a first six of this match. Short of a length delivery to start off with. And Madhu had no hesitation. Too much on the move inside the crease, but still manages to go through to that midline. And yeah, it's another six over mid-wicket. First he thought the reverse, then the normal shot, but then went through with it. Good shot from Madhu. With so much movement inside the crease, it not. Once again goes the reverse way. He's not timed it. Fielder will grab it. First. Good catch at point by Somshekhar. Goes for the reverse shot once again. Doesn't middle it this time. I think just found that leading edge and then just plays it very sensibly through covers. Misfield. Once again that extra bounce allows the ball to go away through that boundary ropes. Full toss. Top edge. And it has been. That's a wicket that has been now in favour of RANGA RAO and Sons. That's in the air. And that's gone over. That's quite left fielder. It's a big shot. Straight on the ground. That's clearing the side screen. It's into the forest. Just bouncing off the nets. Big shot. Nothing wrong too much with the ball. It's just that length delivery. Top edge. Madhu wants it. He comes under it and takes it. Trying to pull one outside the off stump. Same once again. Just the ball, I think, climbed on him too much. This hard red ball actually requests the batters to actually go back on their back foot and then pull. It's not got a good hold of it. Fielder will take it. Under edge and has been given. He's got hold of it and it's gone all over that long on boundary for a six. Full toss and that's gone over that square leg boundary for a big six. Easy pickings here for Yashwant. Second six for him. And also played the ball so much more behind that square region. Straight down the ground. It's coming towards this commentary box and will come in. Down the track he gets down. Plays away towards long on. Another small fumble. Coming back for the second run. Mark would have been gone if it's a direct hit. Another overthrow. It's all happening here. Inner edge. Beats the keeper. And that goes to the boundary ropes. Not timed well. And will be taken by Naveen. In the air. It's behind Naveen and will come across to gather that one. They will sneak through. And there's a run out as well. Run out. So the score remains at 91. 92 for RANGA and Sons to get to the Nationals and defend their title. 91 was what Forefront have put across. Nicely played towards point. Wants a quick single to start the innings off. In the air. Chance here and has been taken. Bolt. Right. Bowler like Tilak. misses the line of the ball completely. It's the shot under pressure for the captain. Driven over the top. And that's running away towards that cover boundary. And will go through as well. Outside the off stump there was Witt. Good effort behind point, but the ball will run away towards the boundary ropes. Beautifully guided away towards that vacant region behind point. Driven. There is protection in the deep, but there will be some work to do. No, the fielder can't get across. In the air. Chance. And taken! As Naveen Palau takes the catch. Length once again was a key. It was not full, it was not short. Single-handed shot. Chance at deep square leg. And has been taken. Low full toss. And that extra bounce once again. Yashwant. This time he's got too good a control over that. Oh, just tapping it. And has been dismissed. Wow. Full toss. Rakshit coming under it. Will take it. Good running catch. That long off. Had to go towards, I think, extra cover. Very good catch. Under pressure. It was not a very great delivery, but then the catching made that wicket completely FORE France's wicket. Low full toss. It's gone over and has been put down. Oh. Another run being taken away. Direct hit and gone. Was wide down the leg side, but he's hit it over that square leg region. 6. Leading edge. And Tilak comes under it. Now has to depart. Rafiq goes straight down the ground. Long off. And Tilak comes across. Outside edge. And has been taken. FORE France are the champions of the Indian Cricket Corporate League Season 2. Brilliant catch behind the stumps from Naveen. Mark comes in and picks up that wicket. It's celebration unlimited there for FORE France.